Hello guys, I am from Govgrass Maths Hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 5, exercise 4.4, determinants chapter 4. Equal to, if date equal to date, elements of first row I have written A input 11, A12, A13. Elements of second row I have written A21, A22, A23. Elements of third row I have written A31, A32, A33. And capital A input Ij is cofactor of small a input Ij, comma. Then the value of date is given by. There are 4 options available here. Out of these 4 options, only one option is correct. Let us see how this question is going to be solved here. Here I shall write solution. Solution. Given that date equal to opening of vertical line, I shall do here. Elements of first row I am going to write here. A input 11, A input 12, A input 13. The elements of second row I shall write A input 21, A input 22, A input 23. The elements of third row I shall write A input 31, A input 32, A input 33. This thing I have written here. Now what we'll do here? Here it is going to be asked the value of date. Value of date are available here. Out of these 4 options, only one option is correct. Let us see which option is correct. Here I am going to expand this date along first row or either first column. First of all, I shall expand this date along first column. Now notion of sign will be date will equal to date. I can write here for representative for remembrance. I am going to write here. Here plus minus plus. Minus plus minus plus minus plus. This is the date of order 3 cross 3 available here. Sign of first row plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. What to do in this case? Here I am going to expand this date along first column. So here I shall write expanding along C1. Expanding along C1, let us see what happened. Here I shall write date. Date equal to the elements of C1 are A input 11, A input 21, A input 31. So here I shall write, here you can see for the element A input 11 that is there in first row and first column. So here I shall write minus 1. Here minus 1 is constant raised to the power I plus j. I represent row position. Since A input 11 is there in first row, for first row I shall write here 1, plus J. J represent column position. Since A input 1 1 is there in first column, for first column I shall write here 1 dot. Now I shall write here this thing I have written. Here you can see A input 1 1 has the sign plus. So here I shall write plus sign plus A input 1 1 I shall write. Now I shall write minor of A input 1 1. Minor of A input 1 1. Since A input 1 1 is there in first row and first column, the first row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of A input 1 1. The minor of A input 1 1 will be A22, A23, A32, A33. I shall write like this. A22, A23, A32, A33. The minor of A input 1 1. Here I shall write plus. Same thing I shall write in bracket minus 1. Raise की power. Now this date is going to be spanned along first column. So I shall take this element A input 21. Since A input 21 is there in second row, for second row I shall write here 2 plus J. Since J means column position. Since A input 21 is there in first column, for first column I shall write here 1. A input 21 is there in second row. For second row I shall write here 2. And A input 21 is there in first column. For first column I shall write here plus 1. Dot. Here plus 21 I shall write. Here I shall write plus A21 I shall write. Now get the minor of A input 21. A input 21 is there in second row and first column. Second row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of A input 21. The minor of A input 21 will be A12, A13, A32, A33. I have got here. Here I shall write plus. In bracket I shall write here minus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power. Since this date is going to be expanded along first column, I shall take this element A input 31. A input 31 is there in third row. For third row, I shall write 3 plus, and since A input 31 is there in first column, for first column, I shall write here 1. Plus dot, sorry, plus will not be available. Here dot is available, and this element will be written alongside. So here write plus A31 I shall write. Now get the minor of A input 31. Since A input 31 is there in third row, the third row will be hidden, and A input 31 is there in first column. The first column, third row will be hidden. We will get the minor of A input 31. The minor of A input 31 will be A12, A13, A22, A23. this thing you will get. So here I have expanded this date along C1. So now do the operation here. Here you will get 1 plus 1 comes out to be 2, minus 1 raised to the power 2 comes out to 1. So this element will be written A input double 1 in bracket. Here in this minor the elements of principal diagonal are A22, A33. The elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. You will get here A22, A33 minus the elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. The A22, A33 minus the elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. You will get here A32 dot A23. You will get like this. Here you can see minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1 comes out to 3. Minus 1 raised to power 3 comes out to here minus. So here I shall write minus A input 21. In bracket I shall write the elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. A12, A33 minus the elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. You will get here A13 dot A32. This thing you will get. Now here you can see minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 comes out to 4. Minus 1 raised to power 4 comes out to 1. So here plus I shall write here plus A31 I shall write. In bracket I shall write the elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. A input 12 will multiply to A input 23. Comes out to be A12, A23 minus the elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. You will get here A22 dot A13. You will get like this. Now do the operations. Here date I shall write A input double 1, A input 22, A input A33. This thing will be done. Here I shall write A11, A32, A23 I shall write minus A21, A12, A33 I shall write. Here I shall write plus, because minus minus will multiply together. You will get here plus A21, A13, A32 will get. Here I shall get plus A31, A12, A31, A31 finished. This one will become A23. It will become. You will get here A23, A31, A12, A23 minus A31, A22, A13 you will get. This thing you will get. Now what to do next? Now here you can see which option is correct. Now we have to decide which option is correct. So here you can see this thing, or this thing you will can see. Just match the things available here. Here you can see A31, A31. So this is cofactor of Ij. Ij cofactor. Ij cofactor. This means that if we put this one, cofactor A11, A21 and A31, you will get. So this means that option D comes out to be true, because here you can see -1 raised to power 1 plus 1 comes out to be 1, plus A input 11. So A input 11 is there. Here you can see A input 21, A input 21 is there. And here you can see A input 31 is there. Now minor you have to decide. Minor, there is a minor. The minor, it will become minor of A input 11 is capital A11. This will become, and here you will get minor A input 21, minor input, this one will get, and here you get minor cofactor. This is the cofactor. The cofactor, this whole term will be written as cofactor. This one cofactor. So easily you can get like this. So though expansion is not necessary, so here I can erase this one. This one can be erased, not required at all. So here I am going to erase this one. This one I have erased. Now what we'll do in this case, here you can see this thing I can write very well. Here you can see plus A input 11. So here A input 11 will be written. Here dot -1 raised to power 1 plus 1. And this thing will be reflected here. The A22, A23, A32, A33 will be reflected like this. Here I shall write plus. So here I write plus. This thing will be reflected. A input 21 will be reflected. Dot -1 raised to power 2 plus 1 dot. I shall reflect here minor. A input 12, A input 13, A input 32, A input 33. I shall reflect. And again I shall write A31. -1 raised to power 3 plus 1 will get A12, A13, A22, A23. This thing I shall write. So what to do next? Next I shall write date equal to A input 11 dot A input 11 and cofactor. The cofactor of A11 is this one. This one, in place of this one, I can write here A11 plus here I shall write A21, small A21. The cofactor of small a input 21 is whole this one. So in place of this one I shall write A21 plus, if I write this element, A31 I shall write, and cofactor of small a input 31 is whole this one. So here I shall write capital A 31 I shall write. So here I have written A input 21, A input 11 plus A input 21, A input 21, 31, 31. So this means that here hence the option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Here I shall write answer equal to small t correct answer. This is the proper solution and explanation of question number 5, exercise 4.4, chapter 4, determinant NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.